Welcome everyone to Lennox Bennett channel. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If not, you're missing out on a lot. Alright. So this is City and Guilds for 2022. Alright, so let's go. The first one says, which of guys it's gonna be more than an hour, so take a script to the paper, City and Guilds thing different. Which of the following set of numbers contain all the factors of 16? Not this, this. So that is C, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Number 2, which of the following set of numbers are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, and 7. Prime numbers only has 2 factors, 1 and 7. What is 6 times 6? 6, 6, 36. Times 6, 6, 6. Alright, let me just finish it. 6, 3 is 18, and 21. Just to make sure, the square root of 81 equals 9. What number multiplied by itself give you 81, that is 9. What is 6,300? Written in standard form. Now, standard form must be between 1 and 10. So the decimal point is right here. So let's just see how many places we're going to move. 1, 2, 3. We're going to bring it right here. So that's 6.3 times 10 to the 3. Remember, the value must be the same. Hit the like button and please hit the like button. 2.9 times 10 squared can be written as, so that's 2.9, 100, right? So, I'm going to move 2 places. So this is 1, 2, 3. So that would be C. I'm trying to go as fast as I can because this is a really long paper. The temperature of a freezer was negative 18. So that's below 0. A lot of people can't understand this, right? And then that is 30 above, right? So the distance between them is actually 40 degrees. The difference. Let's move on to number 8. What is a binary number for 110 in the decimal system? Alright, so first, write about the numbers. This is 1, right? So first, so it's 2 to the 0, but it's in this 2, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, and 2 to the 3. So we can actually cross out the 0 because when time multiply, anything times 0 to go be 0. So 2 to the 0 is 1, 1 times 1, 1. 2 to the 2 is 4, 4 times 1, 4. And then this now would be 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8, 8 times 1, 8, 8 and 4, 12, and 1, 13. So that's 30. Alright, solve 8 plus 1.2, 6 plus 0.7 minus 2.3. Alright, so I'm going to add first. I'm going to set up nicely first. I'm just going to put the 2 space holder. Remember decimal point and a decimal point. So 7, 6, 13, 3, 1. This gives us 3, so that's 9.33. So this is 9.33 minus 2.30. 0.330 and 2 from that 7. I'll give you guys some visual. So that's 7.03. So that's P. Let's move on to number 10. A customer buys a bag of sugar that costs $1.89, a dozen eggs for $4.95, and a pack of butter that costs $3.98. How much change will we receive from $20? So all we have to do is just add and then subtract from 20. So it's 1.89. So we did if you like what on piece one, so more people can come on 3.98. Alright, so let's just add this. 8 and 9, that's 17, and 5, 22. And let's check again. 9 and 5, 14, 14 and 8, 12. Yeah. Alright. So this give you 10 and this give you 18. So that's 28. Put the decimal point 3 and 4, 7. 1, 8, and 10. So you spend a total of $10.82. It's $9.18. The persons who probably can't subtract so easy, especially without calculator. Just try and help you out as much as possible. So 2 from 0 you can't, so we borrow that one here. This there, 9, 9, and then 2 from 10, that's 8. 8 from 9, 1. So leave us with 9. And 0 from 1 from 1 and 0. So that's $9.18. As I've said earlier, but just to show how we combine what is 1.6 times 0.9. So let's multiply by 16. Ignore the decimal point from now. It's going to multiply 6954. 600 plus that 5. 6 times by 10 now. 199, 100, 166. So we're going to add now 0 plus 4, that's 4. 9 plus 5, that's 14. So alright, that's all. Alright, that's all. 6 and 1, 7. 3 and 6, 9. So that was one decimal point. So right here. Alright, so it's 974.4. So that would be B. So alright, that's alright, so that's 974. A length of wood. A length of wood is 3.75 meter. What is the maximum number of 0.75 meter long can be cut from the length of wood? We can do it one out of two ways. We can just keep adding 0.75 until we get to 3.75, or we can divide 375 plus the 30. So take the 3, 7, 75. At the freestyle, 75 or 75 for 150. Yeah, I'm going to do. So we have 150, so that's 2. I don't need a 75. So I can't bother with either. Actually, 7512. So that's 275. So this one make it to 3, right? This one now 300 make it to 4. So 5. Yeah, this one make it to 300. And then now 75 again. That make it 5 times. That is 0.6 times 0.8. 6848, 2 decimal places. So C. Alright, number 14. Find the total cost of 1.5 kilogram of potatoes at $2.9 per kilogram and 0.75 of brown sugar at 180 per kilogram. So two things are going on. So this are 1.5, right? And this are only half. So you have to make that 20 pips. So find the cost of 1.5, and so 1 kilogram at 2.9. So half, just find half at 2.9, and I will do that. So look at just add. So this is for 1 kilogram of potato, right? So guess what? Half would be 2 into that 1, 2 into 9.45. So this is half a kilogram. So this is the total potato. But this is now 0.5 kilogram. So half of this, as it will reach 1 kilogram now, 180 for 1 kilogram, but it will reach half. It will reach 1. So we're going to take half of this. So half of 80 now, 9. So that's 0.9. Basically a 90 cents. And then now add them. So that's 5 minus 9, 18 plus 4, 22, 32. So that gives $5.25. So that reason of the question, guys, don't rush triangles. Not C6. A customer buy 3 packs of garbage bags that cost $4.42 each and a roll of paper towing that costs $5 each. She gives the shop assistant $20. How much change should she receive? So it's $4.42. What time is it? By 3? That's the only one. At 3, she buy 3 4 is 12. You carry 1. The decimal point. 3 4 is 12 and 1 13. So the garbage bag is 1 at 13 and 9. Add the 5 8. So this now will go at 6, 8 and 2, 10, 0 carry 1, 9. Alright, so $19.06. So no further, it's A. We need 94 cents to make it. Remember 100 cents and $1. Let's move on to 16. Solve 4 3/4 plus 2 and 2 thirds. 4 and 2 6. Is either this or this, right? Alright, so we're gonna add the whole numbers. 4 plus 2. That is equal to 6 and 2 thirds. LCM will be 12. First number both can go into the like button man. 3 into 12, 4. So 4 is 8. So all we have to do is start the top now. 9 plus 8, that's 1 and 5 over 12. So that means 6 plus the 1 and 5 over 12. I'm going to write this. So that will leave us with. Let's move on to 17. Solve 4 over 9 minus 1 quarter. So like an American deal. So why Mr. Original 36. 4 and 9, yeah. 9 into 36, that's 4. 4 times 4, 16. Minus 4 into 36, 9. 1 times 9 is actually 9. So 9, that's equal to 177 over 36. Most like that area. Oh, it is there. A. Alright, hit the like button up, peeps, man. Hit the like button. It's an equal, yeah? It's an equal. Right, this equal. Not minus. So it's equal 7 over 36. So I want people to get the wrong idea. But never about idea. Yeah. So it's 7 over 36, right? Don't misunderstand. Alright, let's move on to 18. I don't want to do this in 2 parts. I just want to finish the entire paper. So I kind of move it. What is 2 and 3 quarters minus 1 and 9? 10. Alright, now go do it. This is a long way. Think away. 2 4 is 8 and welcome back, guys. Welcome back. That is a problem. Internet chip out and that happened. Alright, so we're gonna look at 2 and 3 quarters. I was saying I'm gonna do it the long way. 2 4 is 8 plus 3, 11 minus 1 times 10. That's right. The LCM could be 20. I don't know why it's separate. Alright, so 4 into 20, 5, 5, 2 into that, 10 into that, 2. 9 2 is 18, so that equals to 38. Alright, so 55 minus 38, we need 2 to make party. So number 19 would be D. Alright, I've seen this one before, and it's always stressful, even though I kind of know maths. Alright, a property is sold for $1.25 million. The 4 owner receive a quarter of the money each. How much money do each receive? Alright, so first of all, it's either it can be this, because if I this will get exactly a million, right? It's too small. So we need to know if I this or this. Alright, so 350 and 350. I'll go here 70, right? And 70 and 70 are 1.4. And 1.25 are 1.25, right? So that means it is this. Now to divide nothing, I just reason it to. Alright, this one solve 1 and 2/5 divided by half. Alright, so 1 times I can convert this to improper. So 155 plus that's 7 over 5. So rewrite it. So guys, remember when you have the fraction, what you do? When you divide fraction, what you do? Reciprocate. So 2 over, you flip it. That my grade 7 number. So 7 2 is 14, 5 1 is 5. How many 5s I can get out of 14? 2 of them. That's one. And 4 over 5. And that one did it. So then these are going out. I was saying where you are going with it's there, it's there. Alright, so let's move on to 21. Solve 3.25 times 5 6. Again, we do the conversion. I'm doing this with my grade 4 students. 3 4 is 12 and 1 13 over 4. They must shut it down, times 5 over 6. Alright, so as usual, you can say numerator by numerator, so that's 13 times 5, denominator by denominator. So this now will give it. Alright, so 2 of that are 48. 48, we need 2 to make 50. Alright, see that? So 2. So that 48, 2 make 50 plus the 15, 17 over 24. So it's nice and easy, guys. Just follow the rules, alright? Check out my other videos, then like the video to know, man. I think it's going to lead to I think I want to exam. A cook uses 1.5 pound of flour for pudding. He needs half of this sweet of sugar. What is the total weight of flour and sugar? All right, so 1.5, or we can say 1.5. You want to say that? We still have to go convert it, but no, we can use 1. So in terms of a fraction, what is half of 1.5? That's gonna be 3/4, right? Okay. All right. So all we have to do is add 1.5. So 1, 2, 2, and the 3 over 2. So the LCM will be 4. 6. Bucket plus 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 3 and the 4 over 4. So that's 2 times and 1. 2 4 is 8. 1 and the 4. Oh, that's a question. All right, let's move on to 22. You know why people are afraid of certain things, but I am afraid. All right, so we have 82 minus 22. All right, hold on there. Let's rewrite this. Let's connect so you can be stress free. All right, so multiply first. Don't let them trick you. So this is 66. All right, how much we need? So we have 66. How much we need to get to 82? So 4 pound this gives 70. 10, that's 14, and 2, 16. All right, so almost reached 25. Very long way to go, as I was saying. Oh, Lord. Let's small up so we can see the entire diagram. All right, let's see what this has stressed from with now. A customer has an account. What does a customer has an account but does not have the account number? Which number should this customer put? So make me just write what them have. Customer have an account, so have account. So make me write account, tick, but no number. All right, so let me see. No account number. All right, so let's see. Start. Do you have account? Yes. So this is the first step. This is the rule, right? Because you have an account. Do you have an account number? No. So right there, so press B. Boom. So B, plus. That was a hard test. Very hard one, man. A stress. You see over yourselves. Oh, this is for decide that if you don't have an account, you have an account now. Do you have an account number? Yes, press C. Bad. City and Gibbs, you guys are awesome. All right, so 25 says calculate 8% of 40,000. All right, so let's go percent me out of 100. Bye. Hit the like button on peeps, man. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share it with somebody. All right, so we're just gonna take off the 2 0. And then 8 times 400, 32. All right, 800, 8 plus 32. Yeah, so that would be A. All right, let's move on to 26. A sales representative received 12% commission sale on sales. How much does she receive on sales of 5A? Again, percent in out of 100. So 2 0. So that's 12. 2 8 is 16. Guys, and I'm gonna put in watch it. 2 8 and 16. So almost 6 or 6 ended. Work it out, I make me know. I try done it now 1 hour. Calculate the compound interest on $400 loan for 2 years at 6% per annum. But they don't tell me when it compound or per annum. And this are 2 years. Alright, let's see if we can. However, this is what calculate. 1 plus R over N times N. This was a very hard paper. Oh my god. So the principal of 4,000. But I'm gonna. Alright, so the rate is 6%, so that's 6 over 0.06. I'll divide this by 2. Alright, from the looks, no. A 1. It's a per annum. It's gonna compound annually. So 1. It's not 2. And then now, so for 2 years, yeah, so that's a 1 times 2 now. All right, so it compound annually. So this into this 0.6, so this would give us 1.06 raised to the third calculator. This I want us to use a simple form. So 1 point, I use the calculator just for time. So 1.06 times 1.06, which is work out to 1 point times 4,000. This is it. So that's 494. All right, so the answer is A. You know why they do it like that now? A machine has a principal cost of 110,000. Simple depreciation is applied 20% per year. What is the value of the machine after 2 years simple depreciation? Simple, I think I mean straight. So they don't use it, the reducing balance method. And always I throw off the game with this thing. So it's gonna be depreciated 20%. 20% is the same thing as dividing by 5. So 110 divided by 5. I don't know why people say this exam is audio. So that's 22,000 times 2, which is 44. So the depreciation value would be 44,000. So it would be 110 minus 44. Which gives us 66,000. Remember, they don't want it to reduce in balance method. All right, what is 0.35 as a fraction in its simplest form? So we convert this, so that should be 35 over 100, and we break it down to its lowest term. We divide by 5, so 720. So that's C. We have reached halfway into the, what is 2/3 as a decimal? Guys, I'm not gonna work out this, everyone should know that. 66%. So just times by 100. It works out to 66.2. All right, a chair costs $96. A customer has a choice of discount vouchers. Either they get $40 off, 1/3 off, 40% off, or quarter off. Which discount voucher gives the cheapest price for the chair? All right, so you can X off them a small amount. So it's between the 40 and the 40%. All right, so we check out what 40%. That look like it close. I'm leaning towards the 40, but let me just see. All right, so let's see now. Bam. 4, 6 is 24. Can reduce this number by 2. Hold on. So we have 5 or so. Still 48. Still not reach now. All right, 4, 8 is 32. 4, 4 is 16, and 19. So 192 divided by 5. All right, it now reach 4. I see the 5 over 20. So this now will be 15. So 30 something dollar. Yeah. So this now will be the right one. So that's A. So I'm reasoning to tips. Yeah. And I'm up with a scale of 1 to 75. The distance between an outer and a conference center is 5 centimeter. What is the actual distance? All right, so that's 75 times 5. Why don't I have 5, 5, 25, 5, 7, 35, and 37. And we are dividing by 100 times 1,000. That's what? 5 zeros? Yeah. All right, so 5. So that's 3.75 kilometer. All right, let's move on to 33. This one is spooky. The exchange rate is $1 is equal to 0.9 euros. Traveler has 450 euros. Convert. Can I call you back? Hello? Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So it's exchange rate $1 equals 0.9 euros. A traveler has 450 euros convert to US dollars. All right. So we can kind of figure out the answer without have to work it out, because look, it couldn't be 405. It's gonna be 405, right? Because 1 to 90, so it will be 500. Hold on, guys. Don't understand. All right, sorry about that, guys. As I was saying, right? If it would continue in the same trend, 2 US, it'll be 0.9998. So that's it'll be $1.08, and it'll continue so on. So the US dollars is gonna work out too much. Now they can like 50. That will give us our answer. So you guys can work with it. I don't have to work with it because I know it's this. Because this is bigger, 4 or 5 small. 4. A gardener mix is 250 milliliters of plant food, 2 liters of food. Express the ratio of plant to what? To its simplest form. So we need to convert. Notice that 2 different measurements. So we have milliliter versus this, right? So we need to say how many milliliters in 2 liter. That would be 2,000, right? Because it's 1,000 milliliter. Make 1 liter. So that's 2,000. So it's going to be 2,000. Never have to do that. 1 to 8. The number here ridiculous. So I see now have the bigger one up front. So it couldn't. Yeah. So you have the bigger one up front there. So it couldn't be that. So you can just concentrate. A cube has side of 5 inches. What is the volume of the cube? Volume equal 5 times 5. I should know. Still a work code. Alright. This one is to be a great people. As usual. Alright. A shopkeeper has 10 kilograms of bread. A shopkeeper has 10 kilograms of bread seed. She used these to make 250, 25, 2,250 gram packs. How many packs can be made? So first we have to convert this again to grams, right? So 1,000 grams make 1 kilogram. So we're going to multiply the 10 by 1,000. That's the easiest way, right? So what is 0 then? So that's just 4 zeros. All right. So we have 10,000 and we have 250 into this. So bam, into 1,000. 25 into 100. Read it right. These are some serious questions. So it's 1,000. So 25 into 1, you can't into 10, you can't into this. Oh, so it's 40 then. Alright. Alright, let's move on to 37. The time in Kingston is just 1 hour behind Washington, D.C., USA. When it is 12:38 p.m. in Kingston, what time is it in Washington? So them say Kingston, they're behind 1 hour behind. And when it is 1:38 p.m. in Kingston, what time? So basically, it will be 1:38. Because Jamaica, they're behind. Alright? So 38, let's see what I go on for 38. The table shows the different account that a bank offers savings. We can probably have a smaller bit so we can. Welcome back, guys. Internet issues again. Like a Zoom go on with now. The internet chip out, it come back, it just continue. Alright, the table shows the different accounts at a bank offers for savings. It says a saver has 20,000 to put in the bank account. But will need to take the money out in 6 months' time. She wants her money to earn as much as possible. The best account for her is, alright, I recommend it. So let's just look at the better saver to see if you read it correct. So better saver, you have to have a minimum deposit of $100. So that's good in terms of that. So minimum deposit $100. So yeah, she passed that. Maximum 25,000. Yeah, she put in another range there. Minimum period of saving any, and that gives a 3.5%. So this look good. Look at that, because that's the highest saving rate. So this. Now I'm gonna further. It does make sense to go any further. So the better saver. See there, minimum deposit 100,000, period, good. All right, so she can do it for the 6 months. So whenever I have to go no further with that one. Oh God, so what to come? Let me just go back up now. All right, so we are at this. Hit the like button up, peeps. So much trouble. Thank you, your time. 39. I'm gonna big it up. Big up, me G. They up on the job, you know. Table shows the medal won by 8 countries at the 2016 Olympics. United States, Great Britain, Russia, Germany, Japan, France, and Jamaica. Big up Usain Bolt. Which of these countries won more silver medals than gold medals? So these are the silver. 37 less, 23 less than that, 18 less than 26, 18 less, this less, this less. Oh, so it's France. All right, 18 is greater than 10, so answer would be France. Guys, hit the like button on. Now deal with it. Now 40. A car travels 600 miles on a full tank of gas. Not anymore. The scale on the diagram shows how much gas is in the tank. How many miles can the driver? All right, so basically, I'm going to tell you, so this is a half tank. So that means it's at 300 miles, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 50. If it's, yeah, a 50 between them. So right, so 350. No, guys, right? For intervals. And if I 6 of them and a 300 it works, that would be this is a 5. You can do it so the same. That's them get 600, then you know, no excuse. All right, so it's 450. All right, that's it. Equal there, so it's 450. So that would be D. All right, hit the like button, going on fine. It's gonna take more than the hour, bro, because this thing is really a rough picture. All right, the chart shows the age of visitors to Jamaica in 2015 age distribution, and they give us the key: Black USA, Canada, that's in the middle, and UK upon its side. All right. So which statement is true? All right. So let's see what they say now. Visitors are least likely to be age over 65. Least likely. No, they are more likely. All right. So that we can extract. Notice all of them bar are bigger than this 65. So visitors are most likely to be age 35 to 64. That is true. This is true. Visitors are most likely to be age. Yeah, I'll be a big bar. See there? So now I'm going further. Let me just read about what they said. The percentage of visitors from the UK is always less than Canada. Always. No. See there? UK greater also. UK greater also. So that's a lie. And they say the highest percentage of visitors of all ages is from the USA. No. No. The one that chicken, the highest percentage of visitors of all ages. Oh, themselves of all ages. No, that's a lie. So definitely B. Alright. So guys, that's some more reason to hit the like button. So going to road food, you know. The pie chart shows the results of a survey about favorite food. And it says 220 people completed the survey. So we have beef, black powder chicken, the fish so, and the vegetarian. So let me see if we can understand this. I get to this happy as a chicken. Oh, this is a bit chicken. Beef and blind. One it look like it piece of fish. The next one so this now is gonna be the vegetable or the vegetarian. We call them vegan. Alright, and you not even know a question. So how many more people choose chicken than choose beef? Alright, so that is a very easy question. So it's a total of 220 people. Half of them choose chicken, which is very true. So this now, beef a quarter, so 80 the answer. Should have been half of this, which is 80 of 8. Right? 180% choose. 80% choose that. Alright, so let's go. A gardener record the number of seeds in 8 packets. 2017. What is the mode of the number of seeds? So like 17. So we have 2 here. Mode, I don't want to occur most frequent, and that would be 17. 317 there. Alright. The table shows the number of lessons taken by a group of learners driver. So number of lessons 18, 26, 19, 24, 20, and 23, and 17. The mean is an appropriate statistical measure to work out an average for these figures because it picks the middle number, it includes all the data, it tells you the difference, it tells you the most popular, it includes all the data. All right, that's what we get mean. We add up all them and divide it by. All right, so 45. The range of prices for cell phones at two different stores are 355 in store A and 830 in store B. All right. These ranges of prices show that store A is cheaper, not necessarily show that store A is more expensive, not show that, right? As a range, you know, that's largest minus the smallest. Prices vary more in store A. No. Prices are more consistent in store A. It will be D. Hey, what's up? All right, guidance. 46. Again, use the standard dice. 1 5 in the on the die, so that's 1 out of 6. Only 1 5. So that's it. All right. So let's move on to 47. Use the formula to find the volume of a code. So that's 1/3 pi r squared h when radius is 3 and the height is 7. So let us do that. I want to use pi as 20 over 7. Why I'm doing 22 over 7 because I see the height. All right. So that's 22 over 7. The r at 3, so that's 3 times 3, and the h at 7. So it's set up nicely so we can cancel, right? This cancel itself. 3 into 3, 1. So that looks like 66. 3 times 22, 6 is volume. And that's D. Let's move on to 48. Solve the equation 3x plus y equal 30. Alright, so bam, subtract this. So it will be 3y equal 21. We subtract the 9, divide by 3, get 7. As I say, guys, this thing is really, really long number. That's 49. Solve 2x minus 6. So we're going to add, take the inverse of, right. Whenever I write the last one. So you guys deserve it. You guys, my eyes are really tight. So this number, you know, so that's 22. We add 16 on that. So our answer would be 11. Alright, so x equal 11. So that's C. Let's move on to 50. An electrician works out the price for each job based on a fixed charge of C. So 6 fixed charge, so not change with that. Plus a rate R and the time taken. So that's the RT. So look no further number. Letter A. Alright, let's move on to 51. Exchange rate of Jamaican dollars to US, right? So this is US 0.2. Go down. Not even know what this is saying. So exchange rate for 1 Jamaican dollar. So if Jamaican dollar go down, right? 0.3. So it had a less US fees. Alright, so let me show you a graph. The graph shows A, the value of Jamaican dollars compared to dollars decreasing. B, the value of Jamaican dollars compared to US dollar increasing. C, the value of Jamaican dollar and increasing. A, decrease that are decreasing. I used to get more US fees, more or less US. I used to get 0.12 US, or 0.10, and then Ghana 1 or 0.8. Unless it always engage people. Alright, so I need to do that with my students. Gradient. Alright, so let us go and get the answer. The gradient of the line is, oh, alright, so it's actually a very tricky question. So we can eliminate these two. No, plus y. Alright, so look now. X is 1 while y is 2. So the gradient will actually be 2. So x is equal to half y. This is an awesome question. So see, when y are 2, x are 1. When y are 4, x are 2. So that means x equal half y. So if you get, in order to get x, you just have whatever the value was. This is a very good question. I really appreciate this question. Alright, so that's D. Hit the like button, guys. 1 hour and a little bit going also. And I said 1 hour. Which of these statements are true? A trapezium is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral can be a square. All squares are parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. So I'm going to go with D. All right, let's move on to 54. What is the value of O? It's the angle B is 50. So right here is 50, and they want to find B. So B plus D equal 180. All right, that's the trick. B is 50 plus D. Hit the like button, please, man. You can do another video. I'm going to minus 50. The transpose, so D equal 130. All right, I'm gonna say this plus this are 180 also. So if this is gonna be 130 and this alternate A alternate to B or A equal to B. So that's an alternate way you can look at it. So that's 130. All right, let's move on to 55. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each angle is measured 120? Yes. N minus 2 times 180. Your teacher should teach it, all right, guys? Should put 180 other side in. So 80 times this, 180 n. That times that 360. All right, so we're going to group into the points. We're going to group the n them now. So that 120 n minus equal negative 360. So this will give what? 60. So that means I have 6 sides, all right? So divide by 60 now. So that equal n equal to 6. So that's an hexagon. All right, so let's move on to 56. Hit the like button and peeps, and show how to work it. The diagram shows 2 dimensions of a right angle triangle. The shape is not drawn to scale. It shows a 2 dimension. Yeah. How many, what is the length of x? Pythagoras theorem, 10 square. When I get the hypotenuse, 700 minus 64 is equal to 36. So you find that to find the square root of is equal to 6. Because I'm really tired in it, like button. I'm going to draw that one here. I'm going to see about rectangle and stress. A rectangular lawn measures 4 meter by 5 meter. A part of 1 meter wide goes all around the lawn. What is the area of the part? Lord. All right, so what you know? This is a very interesting thing. All right, so these are the original. So let's say it's a 4. This is a 5. So it's 1 meter wide for right round. Whole square today. All right. So that means it's what is the area of the part, which is right here. So the more the area of the yes. Okay, the question is normal question is just all right. Tell one now. We need the dimension to them, and then we can find the area. All right. Boom. Here's our 1. Everywhere 1, right? So yes, our 1. Yes, our 1. Yes, our 1. Yes, our 1. So if you saw 5, this makes 6, 7. So the measurement will actually be 7. But some people never see that coming. And this now will be 4, 1 has to make 5, 1 has to make 6. So this now would be 6. So the original, what I'm gonna do, find the area for the original rectangle, which is 7 times 6. So that's 42. And I'm gonna subtract the area for this portion right here. That will give us inches, right? Marker, which is 5 times 6, 30. No, 5, 4, 20. So that's 20. So now we subtract, so that's 2. So my answer is 22. Skyline. Hit the like button, peeps. Hit the like button. Alright, 58. A circle has a radius of 7 centimeter. What is the circumference? Circumference equal 2 pi r. I've done that so many times in class 2. That's a circle. But you keep bringing it back. Alright, reinforce it. They did say use pi as 20/7 and the radius as 7. So that's 2 pi r. So bam, that's 44. I think I've done this one in class also. Right, let's move on to 59 and 60. The diagram shows the cross section of a metal sheet. The metal sheet is 5 centimeters long. What is the value? Stress in a melee press. Alright, so what you know? I'm bother with the drama. So what I'm doing, I'm turning it into one big rectangle. And then now find the area, right? And then now, so for them portion here, find a different color. So you see that little portion here, and this, I take them out, and this will give me the area for this. Alright, so more the area for the shape, ugly shape. But now I want to go to no stress. So guess what? I do it that way here. Alright, so boom. You know, say the length. Here's our 3, here's our 1. So the entire length of 4. So I can put a big 4. So just oh, see, oh, it was given down here. So I need it. Watch out. That's our 1, that's our 2, that's 3, plus 1, 4. Check it back again. This is a 1. Go up here, so 2, that's 3, and that 4. So it will be 4. So the area for the entire thing is 16. Could drop in some dimension. This is a 1 by 2, right? The area for this now. This is a 1. But we can get the measurement. Oh, yeah. If all light are 4, I say that'll be 3. So everything come up to 5. So that'll be 16 minus 5, which is equal to 11. So the area for this, I put ugly shape 11. And then now all I have to do is just multiply it by 5, right? Because it's 5 centimeters. So it's 11 centimeters square times 5. So that's C. And the last one now, and we have come to the end. Guys, please ensure that you like the video and subscribe. Alright, so this is shape A, and this is B. So I say the side of shape are double length of the sides of the shape A. The area of shape B is around, for us to practical terms. You can say double it, alright? So what will be the area for this? The area for this is 1 times 1. So the area for this would be 1, and then let me see some sides of shape B are double. Length of the sides of shape B. Yeah, that's correct. So this now will be 2 times 2 for the area. So this is 4. So 4 times it. Alright, so we can use a different number, but people say, alright, why just choose 1? One of the easiest one. We choose 2 there. So if this is 2, it's 4. So 2 times 2, that's 4, 4, 4, 16. That's 4 times 4, 16. So 4 times shape A. 4 times the shape of here. Alright, we have come to the end. We have to the end, me and our friend. Guys, please, if you need more content, if not, just go right ahead and exit now. Alright, people always ask me number, so I tell them just put it. Alright, so let's go. Reach to the end. Me and your friend.